Imagine this. It's a bustling weeknight, your family's starving, and you're juggling multiple dishes to get dinner on the table. Sound familiar? This Midea dual basket air fryer oven, 11-quart 8-in-1, swoops in like a culinary superhero, transforming chaos into crispy, delicious harmony. This isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a versatile, time-saving powerhouse designed to make cooking fun, fast, and flavorful. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or a foodie craving restaurant-quality results at home, this air fryer oven delivers. Let's dive into why this appliance deserves a spot on your countertop and how it can revolutionize your kitchen routine. Why the Midea Dual Basket Air Fryer stands out. The Midea Dual Basket Air Fryer oven isn't your average air fryer. Its innovative double-decker design combines a 6-quart air fryer basket with a 5-quart baking pan, offering an impressive 11-quart capacity without hogging your counter space. But it's not just about size. This appliance is packed with smart features that make cooking feel effortless. From Wi-Fi connectivity to a smart sink finish that ensures every dish is ready at the same time, it's built for modern lifestyles. Curious about what makes it so special? Let's break it down. Double-decker design. Saves time and space. The stacked 6-quart basket and 5-quart oven let you cook 2 dishes simultaneously. Think crispy fries up top and a cheesy pizza below. Its compact footprint means you get all this power without sacrificing precious counter real estate. 8-in-1 versatility for endless possibilities. With 8 preset functions, air fry, grill, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, reheat, and toast, this appliance handles everything from juicy steaks to dehydrated fruit snacks. It's like having a full kitchen in one sleek package. Smart sink finish equals perfectly timed meals. No more juggling cook times. The smart sink finish technology syncs the upper and lower zones, so both dishes hit the table hot and fresh every time. It's a game changer for family dinners or entertaining guests. Wi-Fi connectivity and 50+ app recipes. Control your air fryer from your phone with the MS Smart app, which offers over 50 recipes tailored for family meals. Monitor progress, tweak settings, or get inspired, all from the couch. Plus, it works with Alexa for hands-free convenience. 3 heating tubes for even cooking. Unlike single-zone air fryers, Midea's 3 heating tubes, top, middle, bottom, ensure precise temperature control and uniform results. Say goodbye to soggy fries or unevenly baked cookies. Clear window to watch the magic happen. Peek through the clear window to check on your food without opening the door and losing heat. It's a small touch that makes a big difference in getting those perfect golden results. Real-world benefits. How it elevates your cooking. Let's talk about what this air fryer oven really does for you. First, it saves time. Big time. The dual zones mean you can whip up a main course and side dish at once, cutting your kitchen time in half. Imagine serving crispy chicken wings and roasted veggies simultaneously, both perfectly cooked. Second, it's healthier. Air frying uses up to 85% less oil than traditional frying, so you can indulge in your favorite foods guilt-free. Third, it's foolproof. The preset menus and app-guided recipes take the guesswork out of cooking, making it easy for beginners and pros alike to nail every dish. But it's not just about convenience. The Midea Dual Basket Air Fryer Oven brings joy back to cooking. Picture this. You're hosting a game night, and instead of stressing over snacks, you toss some mozzarella sticks in the basket and bake a tray of sliders in the oven. Everything's ready at the same time, and you're the hero of the party. Or maybe it's a quiet Sunday morning, and you're toasting bagels while dehydrating fruit for the week ahead. Whatever the occasion, this appliance adapts to your needs with ease. Who's it for? This air fryer oven is perfect for anyone who loves good food but hates the hassle. Busy parents will adore the time-saving dual zones and app control, which let them multitask without missing a beat. Meal preppers will appreciate the large capacity and versatility for batch cooking healthy dishes. Even small space dwellers, like apartment renters or RV campers, will find the compact design a lifesaver. If you're tired of juggling multiple appliances or want to simplify your cooking routine, this is your match. What's the catch? No product is perfect, so let's keep it real. The Midea dual basket air fryer oven is a bit heavy, over 20 pounds, so it's not something you'll move around often. Some users might find the lower oven tray tricky to pull out without tongs, especially for heavier dishes. And while the app is fantastic, it requires a stable Wi-Fi connection for full functionality. That said, these are minor quirks compared to the value you get. A small price to pay for,